I've been working at Envision for a little over a year. I made the move to Envision because I moved back into the area and I was looking for one of the leading integrators and they were hiring and here I am. The most important innovation I've witnessed in my lifetime makes me think about how old I am. I would have to say the cell phone. You know, I mean, I'm old, right? Not that old, but payphones were a thing for me. Pagers were a thing for me. The cell phone is amazing. I mean, that's what I would say. One of my personal philosophies is work smarter, not harder. The best place I've traveled to and why, without a doubt, would be Hawaii for a week, which was too short, for my brother's wedding. And I would go back, actually I would leave right now. Bye.